A man in Toronto walked through a blizzard to get to his favorite Jamaican restaurant, only to find out that they were closed. This is what disappointment looks like. He looks very hungry. Poor lad.
Let's be honest, when your friends come over, would you rather them see this or that? That's why I love my cam masker, because it perfectly camouflages my Blink Mini. My cam masker perfectly conceals my Blink Mini without messing up its functions. Cam masker for Blink Mini, cam masker for Ring, and cam masker for Wise, also available.